Imagine a catastrophic event that could reshape our solar system forever: Uranus, the seventh planet from the Sun, colliding with our star. What would happen if this ice giant were to veer off course and plunge into the fiery depths of the Sun? Let's explore this mind-boggling scenario and uncover the potential consequences for our cosmic neighborhood. Uranus is an ice giant known for its unique tilt and extreme seasons. It orbits at a distance of about 3 billion kilometers from the Sun, but what if some cosmic event were to alter its path? Let's delve into the physics of such a collision and its implications for the solar system. If Uranus were to collide with the Sun, several factors would come into play: size and mass. Uranus is about 4 times larger than Earth, but much smaller than the Sun. The Sun's mass is so immense that it would engulf Uranus without significant disturbance to its own structure. Energy release. The collision would release an enormous amount of energy, but compared to the Sun's total energy output, it would be negligible. Effects on the Sun. The Sun's surface temperature might experience a brief, localized increase due to the impact, but overall, its energy output would remain unchanged. The collision would have several effects on the solar system: orbital disruptions. The sudden loss of Uranus could slightly alter the orbits of nearby planets due to changes in gravitational forces. However, these effects would be minimal and temporary. Debris and rings. Uranus's moons and rings would likely be destroyed or scattered into space, potentially forming a new ring system around the Sun, or contributing to the asteroid belt. Cosmic dust and gas. The collision could eject a significant amount of cosmic dust and gas into space, affecting the interplanetary medium and potentially influencing the formation of new celestial bodies. Some might speculate that such a collision could trigger a supernova or significantly alter Earth's climate. However, these claims are unfounded. The Sun is not capable of going supernova due to a planetary collision, and Earth's climate would not be directly affected by the loss of Uranus. While we haven't seen a planet collide with the Sun, we have observed exoplanets being consumed by their stars. These events provide insights into how planetary systems can evolve and change over time. The hypothetical scenario of Uranus colliding with the Sun highlights the dynamic nature of our solar system. While such an event is highly unlikely, it encourages us to appreciate the complexity and fragility of celestial mechanics. In conclusion, a collision between Uranus and the Sun would be a spectacular but largely inconsequential event for the Sun itself. However, it would mark a significant change in our solar system's structure and potentially influence the formation of new celestial bodies. This thought experiment reminds us of the awe-inspiring power and complexity of our cosmic environment. If you're fascinated by the mysteries of our solar system and want to explore more what-if scenarios,